Asus has now launched its ROG Strix G series of gaming laptops that come under the ROG series, and this is a Strix lineup that has several models. This one coming with a 15.6-inch display, the Full HD Plus resolution display, and a 240 Hz refresh rate, 3 milliseconds of response time. So this could be one of those best laptops that you can get for gaming. Obviously, if you are someone who plays high-end games, you might know how good the refresh rate matters in high-end games, and this is the G531G model that comes with 8 GB of video RAM separately, and there's 1 TB SSD that is included here, and the processors varies from i7 9th Gen to Core i9 as well, and there's NVIDIA RTX 2070 GPU included along with it. And the regular RAM that is given in this particular laptop is 32 GB with that HD RAM having 2666 MHz speed, and these are the box content that you are seeing right now, which has this unique accessory that you can insert in the laptop side to have the particular patterns of lights, and this is the traveler adapter that you get along with the laptop here. It runs the Windows 10, that is the regular one, and you can see the sticker for the 240 Hz, and this is the hinge that would take it to a slant of about 150 degrees, and this is the keyboard of it. There's also the number pad that is given dedicatedly on the trackpad as well, and you just need to tap on the side number pad for 1 second, and it would activate the number pad on the trackpad. And the trackpad is smooth enough, the keys are quite refreshed, they're not so heavy, and for a gaming laptop this is not so heavy or so thick when you compare that with some of the other gaming laptops from Asus itself. The ROG series actually has heavier and bigger laptops serving their purposes obviously, but this one has quite a lot of stuff that is included in this build up. And these are the different lights that show up in the keyboard. That is the entire Aura Sync that is given here. There's an Aura Sync feature that would help you change the light patterns, and you have the shortcuts for that on the keyboard, so that you can change the pattern of how you can see those lights coming on the keyboard. And this is that slot on the side for inserting that accessory and changing the lights. Along with that, you have 3 USB Type A ports and also the 3.5mm headset jack. There's an RJ45 Ethernet port as well, and the power slot is given towards the back of the laptop. And along with that, you have the HDMI out port as well, and a USB Type-C port. So there is an entire good cooling system that is given inside, and we might have another video for that to explain how the cooling system works here. Along with that, you have this beautiful looking design that you look from the top, and you'll see that very well made power button. There is no webcam, that is something to mention here, and the speakers are all around, so that you get a good surround sound when you're playing it on the speakers and not on the headphones. And even on the back, the ROG logo that is on the top of the laptop, that would keep changing in colors, and that also shows a pattern of colors and lights whenever you have it on sleep or when you're using it as well. So this is actually good for gaming. We have tried the Forza game on it. We are also going to try the PUBG gaming and see how well does PUBG run on this. Obviously, you know that it should do one of the best gaming performances out there, but this was a quick demo of the Forza gaming on this one. So this was all about the Asus ROG Strix series. That's the G531G model. That is fully power packed and is priced over 2 lakh rupees. We'll be having the final official price in the description below if you are interested to look at this particular model. So that is it about the Asus ROG Strix G lineup. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.